we are going to discuss about the animals that can fly. So at first we are going to discuss about birds. So what are they? But we all know that birds have wings. We see them to as flying, but we cannot see them as walk. So they cannot walk fast, rather than they fly first. They use their wings to fly, and they have feathers on their body and wings. They eat with their beaks, but they only eat insects or some grasses and some small insects and etc. So let's get started about to know them. Crows eat on anything. They eat all everything they can eat. Sparrows and parrots eat only seeds and fruits. Some birds are good hunters. They eat small animals. Some hunters birds are owl, hawk, etc. Owls hunt at night. Ducks and geese swim well. There are many type of ducks and geese. Geese have long necks. They eat plants, but duck eat plants, fish, worms, insects, etc. There are some big birds like penguins and ostriches. They cannot fly. They only walk. The common hen also cannot fly. They only walk. Penguins are great swimmers. They eat fish, and ostriches run very fast. They eat only plants.